story about rainy season. Rainy season is a wonderful time when the sky becomes cloudy and raindrops fall from the sky. It's a season filled with cool breezes, splashes, and the sound of pitter-patter rain. Children love to watch the rain from their windows or go outside with colorful raincoats, umbrellas, and waterproof boots. The weather during the rainy season is cool and wet. We wear raincoats and carry umbrellas to stay dry. Sometimes we even jump in puddles for fun. The air smells fresh, and everything around looks clean and green. Rain helps the trees, flowers, and plants grow big and healthy. The grass becomes greener, and we see lots of flowers blooming. Farmers are happy during this season because rain helps their crops grow. You might see frogs hopping, snails crawling, and peacocks dancing in the rain. These are some fun sights of the rainy season. Birds find shelter in trees, and sometimes we hear the loud sound of thunder and see bright flashes of lightning in the sky. During rainy days, we enjoy eating hot and tasty snacks like soup or corn. It's fun to stay indoors, read storybooks, draw pictures, or play with toys while listening to the rain outside. The rainy season brings joy, freshness, and lots of splashing fun. So don't forget to wear your boots, carry your umbrella, and enjoy the magical rainy days with a big smile.